Hello YouTube, it's DJ's Old Gauge Trains. I want to show you my World's Fair R36 subway set again, and the reason why is because I now have the original sound set in this train. So about a year ago I did a video where I put the R12 number 7 line sound set in it, and it just wasn't the same. So it was good to have this set up and running again, but it wasn't the same. So I was able to find a working 5-volt board and got it, installed it myself and charged up the battery, fired it up, and it worked. And I've got the original sound set back in this subway set, which is awesome because this one runs as a rush hour express up to the World's Fair, starting at Times Square. So I'm not going to go through the whole sound set, but under 42nd Street in Midtown Manhattan, the train starts at Times Square, then it stops at 5th Avenue, Bryant Park, then Grand Central Terminal. Then it goes over to Queens, where it stops at Long Island City, very close to the Long Island Railroad freight yards. Not freight yards, the passenger train yard. The next stop after that is Hunters Point Boulevard, which is also a Long Island Railroad stop. Then that is followed by Queens Plaza, which is an above-ground big subway terminal area. After that, it stops over at Woodside. It skips about 3 or 4 local stops, and then the next stop is Woodside, where it connects again with the Long Island Railroad. Then after that, it stops at Junction Boulevard, and then finally the site of the World's Fair, which is Willets Point Shea Stadium. So it's a great set. It's really awesome that they did the through express stops on this one. I've got the R33 singles on order, so I'm hoping that that one is a local train, and I'll have both local and express routes. So that'll be really cool. But that's it for the talking. I'll let this thing go through a few of the stops, and then we'll end the video. So here you go, the number 7 1964 World's Fair through express train.
Auto mode. Fifth Avenue, New York Public Library, Bryant Park. Be careful of the gap between the train and the platform.
1920 Fox 179, coming to control.
Yeah, Coney Island Yard, 330 Ball, 4856 on the mic. You hear me on the PA? Next stop, Grand Central Station. Next stop, Grand Central Station. Change here. Attention passengers, please take all your personal belongings and newspapers with you. Thank you very much.
Hey, buddy.
Attention passengers, due to congestion ahead, there will be a slight delay. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your cooperation.
Pardon me.
Glad to still have this one up and running. It's a very old set from 2002, so very happy it works just like it did when it was brand new.
Next stop, Vernon Jackson Avenue, Long Island City, Queens. Vernon Jackson Avenue, Long Island City, Queens.
Here you go, buddy.
The doors will now be closing. Conductor, this is your bonus. Do you have an indication? Try your doors again. Conductor, this is your bonus. Do you have an indication? Bonus, this is your conductor. Yes, I have indication.
Some Pensy Jeeps while waiting.
MT, QP, QT, and T trains in Astoria. Attention passengers, please take all your personal belongings and newspapers with you. Thank you very much.
Pardon me.
Please stand clear of the platform. A train is approaching the station. Attention passengers, please allow arriving passengers to be trained before boarding. This is the number 7 Flushing train to the New York World's Fair. Please do not block the doors. Next stop, 61st Street, Woodside. This stop, 61st Street, Woodside.
Alright, well that's going to do it for now. It's DJ's Old Gauge Trains. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time.